to be forever, you and I. Now you're just a stranger passing by. Remember late nights, talking till the dawn, laughing at the world, we felt so strong. Laughing at the world, we felt so strong. You were my anchor, I was your light. Now there's only silence in the night. Where did we go? Where did we lose our way? You were my always, now you're yesterday. We were unbreakable, or so we thought. But time and distance tore apart what we had got. I miss the friend I knew. You're a ghost of who you were, and I'm still trying to find undefined. Saw your name pop up, didn't know what to say. Too much time has passed, too much change today. We're not the same people that we used to be. You're a memory I can't set free. Where did we go? Where did we lose our way? You were my always, now you're yesterday. We were unbreakable, or so we thought. But time and distance tore apart what we had got. Maybe in another life we find our way back home, but in this one I'm learning how to walk alone. You were my forever, now you're gone. I'm still holding